Alright, students, let's look at this question here, which is on differentiation and addition and subtraction rule. This is what we call addition and subtraction rule, but it's nothing much. Basically, it just means that it will be distributed. If you want to differentiate kxn plus qx to the power m, and k, n, q, m, these are all constants. Actually, you can just separate them out like that. It looks complicated, but actually it's really not. So let's see how we can do the first one. So it's say that you okay, this may look a bit, these are all fx, is it? Okay, I'm just going to let my y equals to 6x5, 6x minus 10. So if you find dy dx, ddx, let's say 6x. So actually shouldn't use this, I'll just use f prime x equals to ddx 6x5 minus x6 minus 10. Alright, so what you're going to do is actually you could just separate this out, just distribute it out like what you usually do with your algebra. So you distribute this out. This would be 6d dx x5 minus d dx x6, x about 6, and after which we could get d dx minus d dx 10. Okay, so this case it will be 6x times 5, which is actually 5x about 4. Multiply it down, so this will be 30. Actually, this is 30. This will just be 6x5 multiply down minus 1. This will be 0. Remember, differentiating a constant is 0. Okay, so what is left is this expression here. Now, obviously, you don't really need to always distribute it. What we could do is actually just put f prime x is equal to 0 minus d dx. So this would be you could just multiply it down straight, x squared minus 4. This is actually x to the power of half. You have to be familiar with all this what do you call it, this manipulation here, okay, because it's very important. So this multiply with half and minus 1. So you could just do this straight. You don't really need to write this step here. Usually is just so you know that the concept behind it. Okay, so there you go. So once we're done with that, we could do the subsequent one, which is this one here. So I'm gonna do f prime x, which is actually 6. This will give us 6. This will give us 10 x, and same thing, this will be 3 times half. This is actually x to the half, so x half minus 1. So this case here will be 6 minus 10x plus 3 over 2x minus half. Okay, so this is how you do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please do let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question.